While practicing the two meditating Buddha postures, we also practice quiet listening, listening with the whole body. While practicing the cosmic being, we begin the process of practicing guided visualization. The cosmic being exponentially expands until there is no inside or outside. While practicing the marrow washing postures, we also practice visualizing, washing away the impurities of the day, the accumulated waste and toxins washed out of the marrow and sent into the ground. Use the moving hand to guide your visualization as you wash away the toxins taken in with food and drink and breath. Guide those wastes out of the body and direct them into the ground. Energy flowing from the moving hand guides the negative energy effects accumulated from highly emotional personal interactions out of the body into the ground. Guide the energy associated with negative emotions. Wash them out of the marrow, down the body along the skeleton, through the feet, and direct them into the ground. Using both hands with palm up, collect fresh energy from the universe around you. Bring it down the arms and spine and into the dantian. Turn the palms in to face the body. Reverse the flow of energy from dantian up the spine, down the arms and through the hands. Wash with this accumulated fresh energy. Wash away the last vestiges of the used and useless energy accumulated through the day. Direct that waste into the ground. Sink Qi to dantian. Rest and listen quietly. Finish your routine and return to the present patting and rubbing the face and the head. Go and enjoy the rest of your day.